it's about the release strategy. And you don't just drop an album like you used to. We're in a singles nation now. People are expecting regular content on a regular basis. That's just how it is. And if you don't deliver regular content, then you're going to lose your fans. And here's the thing, it's like Spotify absolutely does reward artists who release music regularly. So sure, you might take a year or two to write, or to create an album that you're proud of, to create, let's not call it an album anymore, because what is even an album anymore? To create 15 songs that you're proud of. Maybe you write 100 songs and you work on them and and then you actually record 15 of them, and maybe you want to release 12 of them or whatever. Sure, it might take you a year or two to do that. That's fine. And then you have those 15 songs and you release one every 6 weeks for the next year and a half. All the while, you can be making more music in the time. Other people are making, a lot of people are making music in their bedrooms these days. Billie Eilish and Phineas made their music at home in their bedroom. Like, you don't need a major recording studio anymore. The whole model has changed. Whereas before, you had to get hundreds of thousands of dollars from the record labels to go into a studio and book studio time and record to tape. And it was a very expensive process. Now, you just need to have a laptop and some decent mics and, master a DAW like Logic or Ableton or something like that. And you can make a top 10 pop record. That happens all the time now. So the issue is that people are just pissed off that Daniel Ek was the one to say this, even though he's not wrong. And I don't agree that he should be the one saying this either. And I think, but what his actual message was very misconstrued. I read you the full quote at the top for a reason, because after I read the quote, you're like, wow, that doesn't sound that bad. That sounds actually, exactly like I've been hearing from literally everyone in the music industry for the last 5 years. It's just nobody wants to hear this billionaire who's basically controlling how their art is consumed by the public, and who's, dictating how they're getting paid. No one wants to hear them dictate how they should be making their art.